All right, this is how to change the wiper. You're gonna go to the menu button, devices. You're gonna go over to that menu, go to device menu. You're gonna go down to diagnostics test. We'll go to maintenance, and then you'll go to wiper replacement. And then it'll take you through the process. You turn off the influent flow, and then remove the process head. So we'll take that off and lay it on its side because we don't have a stand. Unscrew the vial with the tool. You might want to lean it up if there's water in there so you don't get water all over your receiver. Press OK. Move the wiper into the replace position. You press OK and that'll push the wiper out. Leave that O-ring where it's at, if it wants to. Let it come all the way out. You'll hear it when it stops. All right. From here, you got this sleeve. We'll push that sleeve all the way up. And then from there, you can actually rotate it. And you can see how you rotate it. And then pull it straight back. This one's already new, so we'll put it right back in. Put it in the slots. Rotate it to counterclockwise. And then cover it with the sleeve again, the locking sleeve. Now you're done. We'll follow those steps again. Place the wiper blade, we did that. We'll retract the wiper. Make sure that O-ring stays in there. Don't want to lose that, or else you're gonna have a leaky process head. Once that gets to 100% and you hear it stop, I'll tell you the next thing. We can install the vial back. We'll lift this up in the vertical position, semi-vertical. Screw that vial back in, nice and snug. And then we'll install the process head. I'm sure that's what it's gonna say here. Let's just turn on the influent flow first. I imagine you do that first before you install the process head, make sure you don't have any leaks. So we'll pretend we turn that on, watch for leaks, and then it should tell us to install that process head. There we go. That's it.